Hi, I'm Gareth Wills, Product Manager at Imagine Communications. New at IBC 2022 is Aviator, our platform to plan, make, and monetize TV. Through Aviator, I can spin up broadcast quality channels in literally 3 minutes. Just by clicking through our deployment manager, I can go through and I can see all of the resources that are running in my environment, and I can spin up broadcast quality channels in literally under 3 minutes. Once a channel has been spun up, I can easily go in and manipulate the channel. I can go in and I can look at the playlist, I can edit the playlist, and I can perform broadcast-like low latency workflows in terms of master control switching and playlist editing. You'll notice in the playlist, I have SCUDdy triggers. These SCUDdy triggers are sending signals to our Surefire video ad server to be able to do personalized ad replacement. So literally I can spin up a channel in minutes. Our planning side of Aviator can send a schedule to my player, and then Surefire can then monetize my channel downstream, providing personalized ad insertion. So how do I control my channel? Aviator provides a simple mechanism to control channels. Here, I've got a master control panel where I can easily switch between live and clip playback. So I've just switched to black on my master control switcher. And you notice I get instant low latency feedback that I've happened, which is very important when dealing with cloud playout channels. So you don't have to deal with that latency that you have on downstream CDN and streaming devices. Also, we have a very simple way of handling live break events and live sports events. So instead of dealing with every single element in the playlist, I can go in and I can deal with items at a more high-level abstracted layer. So I can move breaks around in a tennis match, I can reorder things. If there's a rain delay, I can hit next. And also, if I have a bonus break, for example, if I have the ability to be able to insert other breaks, I can just simply click bonus 3, and that will make it the next break, and then I can simply hit take next, and I can be rolling into that break. And you'll notice I get instant feedback when I've actually rolled that break. New at IBC 2022 is our monetization data. So Aviator is a platform that you can plan, you can make, and you can monetize TV. So what we're doing here is we're showing you the end-to-end health of a channel. So it's telling me whether the plan has been created, whether the playlist has been exported, right through to when the AS run has been generated. So you no longer need to call or email people in order to find out what's happening in the broadcast chain. So giving you a single pane of glass to show you what's happening in your business. And all of this data is being generated by the back-end APIs from both our plan side and our monetize side. You can also bring together the data. So in other words, I've got data coming from my make side, so I can see the output of my channels, but also I can see the book revenue of those channels, how many ads I've included, and how many ads I have ready. Once we've spun up a channel, we need to orchestrate that channel. So we have the Orchestration Manager. So the Orchestration Manager allows you to be able to dynamically scale resource and elastically move resource around the system as required. So you can see here Nature TV is running a main and a backup channel, whereas Singular TV is actually running the Aviator demo channel 4, which is a single channel with an N+1 redundancy system. So I can dynamically move the redundancy out of the stack. So I can just click on this and say yes. And now I'm just running a single instance. So being able to scale resource and move resource around like a blank canvas in order to build up these channels. I can add a channel really quickly. So I can go in and I can create a channel. So let's just call this Test TV. And you'll see here I'm provided with the ability to either plan or monetize that channel. So let's say I want to create a linear channel. And I can select whether I want to create audience-based sales or addressable sales. I select the engine in which I want to create the channel. I make that my primary channel. And what's happening in the back end is the API is actually creating all of the endpoints and all of the channels for our downstream monetization system and our upstream planning system to be able to generate schedules for that channel, and also the ability to schedule campaigns against that schedule. And you'll see that by our little icon there that's telling you that that channel is actually monetized. Once I'm done with the channel, simple. I can just drag that channel into my unavailable, and then I can delete that channel. So what Aviator is really designed for you to do is to be able to generate DR channels, pop-up channels, be able to generate channels on the fly within 2 to 3 minutes. It offers you flexible ways to buy the solution, and it also supports hybrid environments. So Aviator can span both the on-prem workflows and also the cloud workflows. So I can have channels on-prem and I can have channels in the cloud.